My name is Jordan Carter. I'm the Director of Marketing at Silverwood Theme Park. Silverwood's a really unique theme park. We are family owned, so we are very much a family-friendly environment. We're the largest theme park in the Pacific Northwest. There's just so much to do. We have over 70 rides and attractions, and it's a great time to come out, make family memories without the urge of electronics and technology, and just really relax and be with each other. My favorite thing to do at Silverwood is the roller coasters. I'm a thrill junkie. So Tremors, Terror, Aftershock, even some of our flat rides, which are Panic Plunge, our drop tower and spin cycle, which is the world's largest pendulum-style ride that goes completely upside down. Those are where I love to go. There's so many memories made at Silverwood every day. My favorites are when someone's experiencing their very first big kid roller coaster for the first time. See their face and the fear going up, and then once they come back around, they want to do it again and again, and they're hooked on thrill rides and roller coasters for life. There's so much to do. I would definitely recommend visiting the lakes, going up to Schweitzer Mountain, going down to the Coeur d'Alene Resort and enjoying some time in downtown Coeur d'Alene, up to the Hiawatha Trail up in Wallace, and really get out and enjoy the natural beauty that we have here. Come out, visit North Idaho, enjoy all that we have to offer with the natural beauty, the lakes, and of course, Silverwood Theme Park.